There will be moments where I feel lost in myself and I feel lost in the piece, and I feel like I can't stop. When you're in a concert space, you see everyone tapping their foots or bobbing their heads or humming along, and there's this idea that the music, it's a very personal experience because you're listening to music, and there's almost this like direct contact with the performer or with like a persona that's in the music. It feels very intimate, but at the same time, this intimate connection is being created with everyone else around you as well. Just this feeling of like moving with other people, and you don't even have to think about the fact that you're moving with other people, but you're just all kind of synchronized to each other and to the music is a really beautiful feeling. I think the reason why I can't listen to music necessarily while I'm doing something else that takes attention is because the moment I listen to music, I feel like I'm fully part of the music. Like and I'll get lost. And it's not necessarily like I'm daydreaming, it's hard to describe it. I'll just like feel attached to the music in some way. Especially when I'm like listening in headphones and I'm kind of like separated from the outside world and I'm in my own space, and yeah. I don't know if I consider music separate from noise, because I feel like just like found art, there is like found music. There's some sort of like analog that's created between the sound you hear and some sort of personal experience you had. Regardless of you qualify that sound as music or as noise, there's just this physical sensation that I think is created because you're remembering something that you associate with that sound.